Alright guys, I got a video that's going to be completely different than what we've been doing. This video is going to be specifically to all you guys who watch my channel. I'm leaning more towards those who subscribe, but just be honest, most of you guys watch my channel and don't subscribe, and so it kind of throws off the algorithm, and it throws off what I think you guys may be interested in. So the point of this video is to get your conclusive thoughts by your comments down below, telling me what you guys like that I've done so far with these videos and what I should continue to keep doing. I did a poll not too long ago. You guys could see it. About 120 some odd people responded to it, and the overwhelming majority said they wanted to focus on tools like popular products, from your DeWalt's, your Snap-ons, your Milwaukee's, all that stuff. You guys said, I want to learn more about tools and what tools are out there. And I'm totally good with that, because this channel is dedicated to you guys, and you guys get to push it in the direction you want it to go. So I have tried to bring some other stuff in there along the way, and viewing for those items, although it could be a little bit all over the place, for the most part, hasn't been that great. I've done knives, I've done flashlights, different types of flashlights. I haven't done these earbuds. I have this ozone generator. I have this sound level meter, and even shop lights. All things that come up on my radar that are new things, or maybe manufacturers reach out to us and say, hey, would you like trying out our stuff? And we attempt to put them on the channel to hopefully show you guys whether they're good or bad, if it's a waste of your time or not. And ultimately, it's kind of been a mix of things. So, and I think for the most part, it hasn't quite resounded with you guys. So I would really love, if you're watching this video, take a moment, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you're interested in. First and foremost, is it the tools? Are you interested in these, maybe these more obscure items that could be super helpful in the shop, in your house, where have you? I'd love to review these as well, and then give you guys my take on them. But I need to know if you're interested in it, because if you're not interested, I won't. And I'll take it one step further. I've actually created another channel dedicated to these, and that maybe I could just start doing those if you guys are interested. And that's going to be Things Tested. Obviously, this channel is Things Men, but Things Tested would be maybe this dedicated channel for that. And I haven't really done much with that channel yet, but if you guys are interested, should I separate out these two categories? Keep with the tools on this side, and maybe do other obscure, cheaper items, new and upcoming tools, or things that could help out your everyday life. I'd like to know if that would be something that would actually cater to your guys' needs. So let me know, should I keep doing these other items, or should I just focus with the tools, or should I split them up and do both? What do you think? Would you subscribe to both? Would you do one, the other? I'm happy to hear your thoughts. Again, this channel is your channel. You guys drive its direction, and your comment, I guarantee if you put it down below, will get read. So I appreciate your guys' time. Thanks for watching the channel. We're up to 7,000 subscribers now, which is great. Let's keep it growing. I'd love to get to 10, 100,000 subscribers and just continue to improve this channel for you guys to make it a great place for all of us to learn more and share our thoughts about tools. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. We'll talk to you soon.